Hey everybody, back again with the bird junk journal. So, hi, welcome to Plum Piggy. This is Tammy. Welcome to all of my new subscribers too. By the way, I'm so sorry. I'm terrible at remembering to say how much I appreciate you all, and I love our chats in the comments section, and yeah, I just really love I really love hearing from you guys. So it's really awesome. And in a week like this one where I haven't felt so good, and it's just really nice, so it's such a nice little community of junk journalers we have here, isn't it? So okay, gonna keep working in this bird junk journal. I'm gonna have to I'm gonna have to do a little bit of massaging of pages here. It looks like this is one reason why I don't love using glue stick, because it tends to curl your pages, but I'll work with that and make it better. But where did we leave off? I think this was the last thing that we did the last time. Nope, it wasn't. So here's our center, and then we have this flip open tux journaling spot here. So this is where we left off. Now, we still have an envelope to use. We still have 3 of these definitions, or bird definitions. I still have this bird, a couple of these things. Actually, we've still got quite a lot to use for the signature, and this one, of course. So, it's been a while since we did one of these. I feel like he needs to be up at the top. Let's see. Could do a tug spot. Okay, thinking. So we've got this isn't quite a very big page. Oh, should we put him on this page instead? Maybe. Let's see what he looks like on top of here. Too much the same. So if we're going to put him on this page, I think I want some kind of brown background, but not this one. I'm going to see what one of these darker brown ones would look like. Because, we've got some darker browns over here. Oh, does he just get lost? But I kind of like that idea. Let me pull off some of this graph paper. And let's see what he might look like on there. Kind of hate to tear off all the best tea-dyed bits. But okay. So if we put him kind of like this, could kind of do something a little wonky. Alright, I'm gonna glue this down. I feel like it needs a little bit more still, so I might add some washi. How about that? So yeah, jumping right into it this time here. Not a whole lot of chit chat happening. Okay, so I had this originally, and I did like that. Maybe we do this again. This is not the right label for him, but doesn't matter. I don't know. Can you even read it? Not really. Okay, so we'll glue him down. Sure and get some nice glue on this, because it's kind of cardboard and I don't want it to go anywhere. Okay, and then I'll glue this down. Okay. So, I'll tear around him. And let's just see what he's gonna look like. Actually, get a little bit closer. Okay, so looks like maybe on this side of the page, which is good. Okay, so let's just glue him in there. And we've now got ourselves a little bit of a tuck spot at the top. I was going to look for some more labels, wasn't I? And I didn't do that. These papers are driving me crazy. It's just all kinds of in my way. Okay, let's move them back. There we go. Now, and actually I could scoot you this direction. That would help. Okay, now we're better. Okay. Yeah, I was like, the whole last video, I was just like, so annoying. Okay, so I think this is just going to be too much, although it would look cool. I'm wondering if this might be kind of cool. It's too much the same. I'm going to look at this. I do like that. Let's just stick that in there. Okay, so there's that. Do we need another bird over here? What do we need over here? Something needs to happen over here. It's a little bit too boring, I think. Maybe this. I'm not sure if I want two birds on the same spread. So we only have two birds left. I'm gonna think about that some more and come back. Okay, let's do ourselves another collage. So pull some of this ledger out again. And maybe we can use some of this. And let's see what else we can find in here. Let's see. This might be kind of cool. Ooh, we could do like a tuck spot with that. Okay, I've got a little bit more of this. So actually, I'm going to go ahead and glue this down. This is the trick to these kinds. I just try not to think about it too much, because as soon as you start thinking, that's when you seize up. So, okay, there's that. Put this on. And then we had, oh shoot, this, didn't we? I don't want to cover that completely. So I'm going to rip this kind of like that. And we'll do kind of like this. have it arch over the top in such a perfect way. Okay, let's see if I can do that again. All right. This one, yeah, I didn't get quite enough glue there. Oh, there goes my phone again. I swear it never does anything until I try to start filming something. Okay, so we still have this over here. I think we could do some of this, maybe. And like right there. I don't know that I need to necessarily cover all of that. So do some of this. Okay, and do we turn this into a tug spot, yes or no? I don't suppose it could hurt, will it? Let's go ahead and do it. It's not going to hold too much, but you know, could be helpful. Okay. So there's that. Should we put this down here? I think that might get lost. All right, so there's this page. Shall we put one of these in there maybe? Do that, and then fold up another one of these, stick that behind there. There we go. Now we got some stuff going on. Okay, so there's that page. Push it up just a little bit for you. Oh, good. Another page to cover. Actually, I'm not sure I like this here. I do kind of like this. Let's just put this in here instead, because yeah, that'll work better, because I didn't like how this was kind of catching on the next page when you turned it. So okay, so we've got this. We could ooh, is that perfect? Might be. It's on the back side. Ooh. Decisions. I like that. I'm going to keep this idea for this page. But it's copied on the back, so not very heavily. Well, okay. Let me think about that. Oops. So I've got many things in here. You know, I pulled this piece out because I thought it could be kind of fun, but not necessarily for this page does not go well with the red orange at all. This might be kind of cool. It's actually very cool. Okay, so let's build off this idea. Okay. Got this piece kind of bumping around in here. Yep, I think that'll work. Let's do that instead. I think those colors are kind of cool together. And I'll try and tuck this up underneath the other page that I just glued down. Maybe. Maybe not. Anyway, I'll get it right up close to it. There we go. And we can cover that with something. Let's see. Maybe something like this. I should be inking these. At least the bottom pieces anyway, right? So, yeah, I'm feeling better. Feeling a lot better. Just kind of feel like I got the wind knocked out of me in a way, you know, like I'm just pretty darn tired, but I guess that is one of the side effects, so. But yeah, I'm glad I don't have really anything I need to do that's pressing necessarily for this next few days, because pretty sure I'm not going to want to do a whole lot. So, okay, now that this is all completely messed up, let's get it back into order. Really, really like this. That's really cool. That's not something I don't think I would have ever put together that way, but kind of really like it. So, all right, let's glue this one together. Put my lid back on my glue. Okay, now, last time I kind of said we should do a flower down here, but now I don't know. You know, we could put this down here, and we could maybe put this in here. And do we do another one of these? I think we probably should. Let's do a long one again because we've got the room for it. So, okay. No. Let's see. I've got this piece. Ooh, I've got this piece. Would this look terrible or really cool? Down there like that. Well, I kind of like that, and it's pretty simple. And actually, you could turn this into another tuck spot. So, okay, let's get my distress stain and highlight this so that you know it's another tuck spot. Okay. And actually, I'm going to pull this one out because this one's a little too special to hide, I think, in that little pocket. Oh, did I not do this? Let's do this. Not that you can really tell, but I noticed, didn't I? So, okay. Here we go. So let's just stick that there like that. And then we can put this down here. And that way, if whoever ends up, the person that ends up with this journal, if they find one of these birds, they maybe have a picture of it, put it in the pocket and write about it. So we should probably add some more writing paper into the pocket too, don't you think? Okay, so there's that. Kiskadee. I don't know what kind of bird that is. I don't think I've seen that bird. We have this nice little sheet of paper, and it's been nicely tea dyed, so I think let's stick that down in here. So, do I like this one in here though? Could put that in there like that. No. That's a funny little looking bird. I think he needs to kind of stick out a little bit. Okay, so let's find some paper and make another little spot for journaling. There we go. Okay, that's another little loaded pocket. Oops, this one's going to be a problem, isn't it? Oh, I was thinking about putting some kind of washi tape down here, so... Ooh, guys. Ooh. Okay, just a little bit of this one. We don't need too much. It's too much would be too much. You know, it made sense to me. If it made sense to you, then hey, we're on the same page. Okay, so let me get this glue. Let's see. I'm thinking maybe, well, maybe down here. Kind of like that. I kind of really love that, actually. Yeah, more of that, please. Okay, but I feel like we need another piece of washi. Oh, let me get my big tub of washi. See what we can find. I'll go with it. Probably I should just keep this handy, huh? Okay, so we've got those colors going on. That would be too much matchy-matchy. You know, I'm just going to start taking some of these out because some of these I really am not going to want to keep. This one's interesting. I don't know how well you can see that. It's just kind of black with, what even is it? It's like little gold sort of butterflies and flowers. But first coffee, I obviously, but first coffee, but I'm never going to use this, so let's put that in the bin. Also this one. Okay. What's this one? This one's interesting, the color. Breathe. Love, live, love, love, love. Well, I like the colors. It's gonna get lost though. Let's keep looking. We've got some of this. That might be nice. I'm not into cheetah. Finned. Oh, that's the end of the last one. Find the good. Find the good. That's what it says. Find the good. You are lovely. Oh, thank you. Okay. Typewriter. So busy. Always so busy. Don't need that. See, you guys are helping me clean too. Definitely don't want the mascara one. Oh, there was this one too I really liked. Enjoy the simple things. Okay. It's little tassels. Oh, wait. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. I think we found it. By George, I think we found it. Okay, so we've got maybe two pretty cool options. I'm going to put... Let's do one on top and one on the bottom. Yay. Okay. Let's do one of each. This is a little bit watercolory, but I think it'll be okay. And if it isn't, I'll take it right back off. No harm done. So, put a little bit there. I like the color combinations with the orange. I think it's going to be pretty cool, dude. Okay, so yeah, that's kind of neat. I like that. Should we gild the lily and do one more on the bottom? Let's see what it'll look like. These skinny washi, I just never really know what to do with them. That works. Okay. So that's what this looks like now. Not too shabby. All right, so yeah, that's fun. I like that. It works. Okay. Back to the floor, little washies, you go. We'll call on you later. Okay. And my kitty cat thought I was talking to him. So, since we added a little bit of washi on that other, I'm wondering, yeah, let's put a little bit over here. This might be a little dark, but let's just see. Oh, you know what? No, I can't because it's going to hide. Nope, I can't do that. Save it for somewhere else, maybe up here. And Oliver's going to stay on the floor, aren't you, Oliver? There we go. Just a little bit of something extra up there. Okay, so now next page is completely blank. Let's see what else we got going on. So we've got this. Another blank page. I think we could easily... Whoops. I'm gluing the pages together. We could easily clip that onto this one. So let's find something to put into here. Ooh, perfect. So if I fold this in half, ooh, perfect. Okay. Well, does it match? Do we know what it even says? I feel like I should probably decorate this first before I do anything. Well, let me fold this in half and make sure it's gonna fit. I think it will, but nope. Too big. Okay, we'll think about that for something else. Let's see what else we got down in here. Got some of this eco dye or eco printed stuff that might be kind of cool. These would be, ooh, these would be really cool belly bands. Should we do a belly band with one of these? I vote yes. Okay. So if we did one, we could do it like there. And then we could slide our envelope into the belly band. Yay. Okay. Oh my God, you guys. I've been by myself for far too long. It's time for me to join the rest of the world. Again. Okay. Hopefully get this straight. There we go. I'm going to save that piece. And there's my other mark. I can't tell at all if it's straight. Okay, I'm going to do this off camera a little bit. Sorry. There we go. So, like this. Let's make sure this will fit. I think it should be fine. Yep. Okay. Oh, we still have that big bird. Not Big Bird, that other big bird. Okay, there we go for our belly band. Now, we still don't have anything in here as far as paper goes. What can we put into the middle of that? Ooh. We have a winner. Okay, let's do this. But I'm going to, do I want it straight or do I want to rough up the edges? Rough up the edges, I think, right? So we want it to be about that wide. Get rid of this and this. The beauty of this is that Tim Holtz paper that you can sand away the color and it'll show you the craft paper on the inside. So shall we try it? I haven't actually ever done that. But I was actually considering that as a way to finish the cover of this journal. So it might be kind of cool. Okay, put this out of the way. You guys, we're gonna have one fat little journal. There we go. Now that I have a big old mess on my surface, but here's how that turned out. Kind of cool and distressed. I think we should probably add some more distressing around the outside edge. Okay, there we go. Now let's hope it fits into the envelope. Wouldn't that be funny if it didn't fit? Oh, just barely. Okay, cool, there we go. So that'll fit right there nicely. And, or maybe even better this way. Very snugly. Okay, there we go. So we have, what do we got? What do we got? We've got one of these. We could do painted bunting. I think we need to use this. Maybe with that underneath. And then we could do painted bunting up here in this corner. Yeah, I think so. Whoop. Making sure I got that right side up. The script is so small, you can't really tell. You know, no, I'll save that for this other one. All right, very, very nice. Okay, so that's that little spread. Definitely don't want to do anything here. Actually, these would be fun to color in with like some colored pencils or something. Or if you had aqua color pencils, that would be fun. Okay, so we've got this page left. And we've got quite a bit left to add. I can go back and add some of this to previous pages. But okay, let's go ahead and do some collaging here. So we've got this left over from what we just did. See what I can find here. Ooh, this will be cool. I like that. I don't want to use all of those same things in the same signature. I need to make sure and space them out. Because, you know, we've got 4 more signatures to do. So. Okay, I need to dig just a little bit deeper here. What's this? And also my goal is to use up some more of these scraps. Selfishly. Just like, I can't handle all the scraps. Okay, so this was from one of the book pages that we tore down for this journal, and I kind of really like how you can see some of this writing on there. This is an actual vintage label, an antique label from some kind of food something, so that would be cool. And then just some various other scrapbooking papers and whatnot. So, okay, let's go ahead and get started. I think I'll start with this biggest piece here. Okay, now that page is covered up. So here's a closer look for you. Kind of interesting, I'd say. All right, so what shall we do with this little birdie? I still do like him on this for some reason. Oh yeah. Oh, I like that. Okay. Well, let me glue him to there, and then we can turn that into a tuck spot. Okay, so how shall we make this into a tuck spot? Let's see. Let's see. And then on the back side here, I'm going to, that's a little bit excessive. Let's try one of these. Nice. It's almost like it's the same house. Could be. Okay. So, tuck spot. Up like there? I'd say so. Okay, so this is the bottom. Let's see. So around to his head. Around to his head. Like that. There. And then, what can we tuck up into there? Got a lot of nice little papers in here. Did I leave enough room? Let's peel away some of this. Oops. Okay, well, we'll peel that much away and then I'll add a little bit more over here. There we go. That's better. Okay. So this is that one that was coffee dyed. So this will be a nice little writing spot. Put it in that direction. Okay, I'm feeling like we need a tree right here. So I'm gonna find my stamps. I think that's gonna call it good for this. Oh, we still gotta do this one. Okay. Black-throated sparrow. Let's put him here. Okay. Okay. It's a little busy, but not too bad. Now, scissors are in my way. Everything's in my way. Okay, let's find ourselves a little tree. A happy little tree. How about that one? I think that's about the right size, don't you think? Or do we want a smaller one? That one could be good too. Give you some more writing space. No, I think it needs to be that one. Get out the big guns. Black for the stamp color. Let me put this under here because I don't think I want to stamp that entire thing. And then I'm going to pull this off. Okay. About like that. Okay. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I use this, I'm always like, it's a mess waiting to happen. Yay for stamps. That looks really good. Okay, so I'll let that dry. And then the only thing that we didn't use was this little piece. So I think I'll just save that for the next signature. And I'm going to call this signature done.